what a majestic view, cool dudes. That, of course, is the Clifton Suspension Bridge. And I'm about to undertake a 8-mile circular walk from Clifton through to Leigh Woods and back round again. I say 8 miles, I've already walked about 1.5 miles up a steep hill, which seemed to go on forever. So it's going to be more like about 10 and 12 miles by the end of it. It's also started raining, which wasn't forecast. But, you know, just look on the bright side, because there's one thing left to say. Good luck, everyone, especially me. I am slightly concerned, cool dudes, that this might be the best bit of the walk. But, you know, people normally stop watching after the first 30 seconds anyway, so that's all right. Of course, cool dudes, this bridge was famously built by Kingdom Brunel. The reason he built it is that he won a competition. So the question of the day is, how old was he when he won the competition? A, 21, B, 24, or C, 26? Think about it. The answer, cool dudes, is B, 24. Had you designed one of the greatest bridges in the world by the time you're 24? No, me neither. The bridge was completed back in 1864, cool dudes, but sadly, Kingdom Brunel died in 1859 before it was finished. Would have been typical. I was just thinking what I could do when I was 24 when Brunel was designing that bridge. I think I could just about make spaghetti bolognese. That was about it. If people had sampled it now, they'd probably say this is a grade 1 listed spaghetti bolognese. According to that sign back there, there's a small herd of ruby red cattle somewhere in the woods helping to maintain it. So fingers crossed we can spot them. Keep your eyes peeled, cool dudes. You can just about see the observatory where we started up there, cool dudes. The reason I'm in Bristol is that I've been lucky enough to get a couple of days filming. And I got back in about 2 o'clock last night and I thought, I can't be bothered to do a walk on my day off. And then I read in the news about Rob Burrows, the rugby player who died of motor neuron disease. And he said in his parting words, "Don't waste a day." And it really hit home for me, you know, just not to waste any opportunity. So I've come out, even though I'm pretty exhausted. So excuse me if I speak nonsense. This is cool graffiti. Mr. Bumps everywhere. The River Avon looks a bit like the Chocolate River in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I keep on expecting Augustus Gloop to pop up out of it. That'd be excellent. And over there is a shopping trolley. Can't have a British river without a shopping trolley nearby. There are lots of cool old quarry entrances off along this path. They look like good places to explore and also good places to get murdered. The path is sorely missing some benches, cool dudes. Just 2 or 3 benches. That's all us pedestrians want. And this we'll have to do for a lunch spot. Lunch today is basically stolen from the hotel breakfast buffet, as me and the other actor in my scene went down early for breakfast and picked up stuff for lunch. That's what it's like being a jobbing actor. So thank you to the hotel for this ham and cheese sandwich, brie in a small bun, delicious pastry, apple and banana. Also got water, stickers available on the Cool Dudes website, along with other merch. Nice one. Typical, 15 seconds further down, a much better space for lunch. Great. Just heading back inland away from the river now for this big climb back up the hill. This is a quiet and peaceful woodland walk that's possibly better suited to joggers or cyclists. But don't worry, because it's time for question of the day. And in honour of the star of this episode, the Clifton Suspension Bridge, what is your favourite building or structure? Mine, I mean, it's hard to get past St Paul's Cathedral and Tower Bridge. But a recent one that I thought was brilliant I saw was Conway Castle, or Conway Castle, depending on how you pronounce it, which looked magical. I'm a big fan of castles. Please write your answers below. I look forward to reading them. Would you like to live in a house in the middle of the woods though? I think I'd be too scared myself. Oh right, and that's a big surprise, is it? I'm in the middle of nowhere and you're still bullying me, sunglasses, Marek. Sometimes, cool dudes, you see some weird things on walks. And back there, in the blue car, was a man sitting there with the door open with a massive parrot on his knee. Pretty peculiar. On the last stretch of Leigh Woods now, and I'm surprised that I've hardly seen anyone, apart from the odd jogger and a man with a parrot on his knee. It is incredible how you can come just, a mile or so out of a big city and find this peace and quiet. I love yew trees, that's a cool one. And talking of yew tree, look at this yew tree. It's been there for at least 400 years. Pretty cool. It's around this time I expect many of you are thinking, I wish I could help Marek so he didn't have to steal his lunch from hotel buffets. Well, cool dudes, good news, you can, by joining the Cool Dudes Walking Club. How do you do that? Go to channel page, click on this join button. But what do you get in return? Well, you choose a membership tier that you want to give each month, and in return you get to use these emojis. You get to watch all these extra videos, and you get entered into the prize draw. What an incredible honour. Thank you very much to everyone who has. And let's just finish this walk. Nice one, cool dudes. That is it. The walk complete. It was 3.5 hours, 7.2 miles. A very enjoyable, peaceful walk. I can highly recommend it. Also, this is possibly the best bit, but don't tell anyone that until they get to the end of it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Only one more thing left to say. Stay cool. It's almost as beautiful as you. Yes, this watercolour, original framed masterpiece by me, could be yours. You just need to bid for it on eBay. The starting price is going to be £7.50. Alright, cool dudes. Before the prize draw, I have to say that 2 people haven't claimed their prizes yet. Prizes? Or prizes even. If your name is Pignut or Joe, G-U-E, whatever, I won't give out the rest of it. That's the start of your surname. Please email me at calldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com to claim your prizes. Just send me your address. Alright, currently there are 631 of you wonderful people supporting me on YouTube. Thank you, cool dudes. You're all entered in the prize draw. What I do is get YouTube to list all the current members in order the total time of they've been a member. And that's your order in the prize draw. And the prize this time is a Cool Terrier of Albion zine. Some cards from Stripey Art. A Marek keyring. A pencil from the Donkey Sanctuary. A Ghost Hunter pin badge. A Spotter's Handbook. Some normal stickers, vinyl stickers and badges. Oh, splendid prize. I want it, but it can't be mine. It's going to be one of yours. And I'm going to find out now who. Random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 320. And the 320th longest serving member, who's been a member for 15 months, is Spencer J. Spencer, I've got your email address. I'll email you to check your address and send you this stuff. Alright, there's only one thing left. Your keyring gallery. And also, I must say, well, we should all say it together. In 3, 2, 1, stay cool.